Hi guys, welcome to the Focus Android YouTube channel. How to active sleep timer when watching videos on YouTube. Maybe this will be very useful for those of you who often watch videos on YouTube until you fall asleep or just listen to the sound from YouTube videos and you don't have your cell phone with you. Here's how to activate. When you are watching, you can press the gear symbol or setting in the upper right corner. Then it will appear like this, and you can press more at the very bottom. Then you can select the sleep timer, and here will appear various time options that you can choose, starting from 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes to 1 hour, or you can choose until the end of the video. So after specified time, that video will automatically pause or stop. Or if you choose until the end of the video, then after the video ends, YouTube will not play another video automatically.